Hey guys, it's Brands and Identity Systems, and today we're talking about a frozen dessert brand, which happens to be a franchise as well. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Hey guys, my name is Shelly Sapon and this is Brand Knowledge. You know, over here we talk about business and branding, just help you level up in all your entrepreneurial endeavors. So hey, today we're talking about the Pinkberry brand. So Pinkberry is a franchise of frozen dessert restaurants that started in Los Angeles, California, and currently they have 300 stores worldwide, including Ghana. Okay, so the brand was founded by Shelly Hwang, who was born and raised in South Korea, and then later moved to the United States in 1992 to attend business school at the University of South Carolina. Okay, so Pinkberry's identity system as well as its whole brand strategy was designed by this lady right here, Yo Santosa, who is the CEO and founder of a branding agency known as Ferroconcrete. Okay, so she studied at the Art Center in Pasadena. Okay, so the Pinkberry brand reflects the essence of modern design and reminiscence of childhood summers. Okay, now Pinkberry is sophisticated yet playful, it's stark yet eye-catching, and it's sweet yet tangy. Okay, so the yogurt itself became an actual character. So the Pinkberry with chocolate chip eyes. So you notice she uses playfully direct language. Now, and as the seasons change, the frozen yogurt, the product itself also changes. The way it dresses, the way it's presented to you changes as the season changes, which is super interesting. So an example is that during the winter, the product has been seen or known to put on shredded coconut earmuffs, which is pretty interesting. Okay, so the whole idea behind this is to encourage customers to have fun with their food, like they did when they were kids. Yeah. Okay, so Pinkberry has an interesting tagline, and the tagline is Swirling Goodness. Swirling Goodness. So the first word, which is swirling, represents the shape of the yogurt, okay, when it's served to you. And then it also represents the logo. As you can see, there's a swirl in the logo, the shape of how it's it represents. And then on to the next one, which is goodness. Now the goodness represents, like, it's more of touching on the emotions as well as the quality of the product. So there's goodness in the product. There is goodness in the product, positivity all the way throughout the product experience. Now Pinkberry is in Ghana, so do well to check Pinkberry out. They have stores in East Legon, Laboni, and Spintex. Do well to check them out. Okay, hey guys, so I hope this was informative. Thank you guys for watching. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button to be in sync with me every time I drop a new video. And thank you. Just share, like, comment, let me know your thoughts, and let me know what sort of brands you want me to talk about as well in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Let's get it.